Alright, so the Galaxy S25 Edge is officially launching on May 13th during an online-only Unpacked event. No physical event this time, everything's happening virtually. After that, shipping in the US will kick off on May 30th. Now, if you're in China or South Korea, you'll actually get it a bit earlier, around May 23rd. Pretty interesting that they're prioritizing those markets first. Now, let's talk about the price, because that's where things get juicy. Samsung Canada kind of accidentally leaked it. The starting price for the 256GB model is going to be around 1,678 Canadian dollars. If we convert that, it's roughly about $1,209 US. But the expected official US price is going to be somewhere between $1,100 and $1,200. So yeah, it's a little bit cheaper than the S25 Ultra, which sits around $1,300. But it's more expensive than Apple's iPhone 17 Air that's expected to start at about $899. Speaking of the iPhone 17 Air, let's do a quick comparison. The iPhone 17 Air is cheaper, no doubt, but it's also coming with some compromises. It's got a single rear camera and an aluminum frame compared to the S25 Edge, which packs dual cameras and a titanium frame. So, while Samsung is offering more premium materials and features, a lot of people are still side-eyeing that $1,100 plus price tag. I mean, when you think about it, you're paying a premium mostly for how thin the phone is. And honestly, that might not be enough to justify it for a lot of people. Let's get into the specs real quick. This phone is ridiculously thin at just 5.8mm and weighs only 163 grams, which is super light. It's got a 200 megapixel main camera paired with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Powering it all is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 1 chip. The battery is 3900 mAh and Samsung's marketing it as long-lasting, but we'll have to see in real-world use. The frame is made of titanium and it's running One UI 7 based on Android 15 right out of the box. For display protection, Samsung's using Corning's new Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, but honestly, it's still unproven compared to the older Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so we'll have to see how tough it is. But not everything is sunshine. There are some concerns. First off, the price still feels way too high, especially compared to the iPhone 17 Air. Plus, Samsung's banking a lot on that thin design, but here's the thing, if most people are just gonna slap a bulky case on it, does the thinness even matter anymore? And honestly, there's some confusion about the audience for this phone. Like, why would someone pick the Edge model over the S25 Ultra when the Ultra offers better cameras, a bigger battery, and better cooling? Samsung isn't Apple, they don't have that same ecosystem loyalty, so they have to work harder to convince people this is worth it. Do you think the S25 Edge is gonna catch on? Before you go, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want more honest tech rundowns. Thanks for watching and see you in another exciting video.